Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you how to build a basic CRUD application. For this application, I would like to use Springboard with firm. I'm okay, and I would like to introduce myself. I'm Xian Chen, and I'm a software engineer. I already have over 16 years working in the software industry. Okay, let's get started. First, I would like to show you uh, this web application. You can see here, I opened localhost 8080. This is an index page. This is a book list. Um, we can add new book. Okay, I need to start this project. Then we can see it. Okay, I already started. Let's try again. Add a book. The first one, okay, good. Was sounds considered. And the next one, fresh air. Cool. Yeah, we can edit. I want to add 2024 update book. Okay. We also can delete this book. Okay, you can see we can add a book. We can show the list, and we can edit. We can delete this book. Okay, let's back to this PowerPoint. So I already show you that application, but how to build it? Uh, so let's get started. We can see how can we do it. And for this PowerPoint, let's look at this content. First one, overview. Second one, studying. Third one, coding. Fourth, running. And the final one is conclusion. Okay. Overview. How to build a CRUD web application. For this application, the take-a-look architecture. The front end we use Firmware, and the back end we use Springboard. Database we use H2. I want to explain more about the database H2. Just use the memory, so you do not need to install a real database. To study, we need open a window. The URL is start.spring.io. This page will help you to build a foundation framework. For the backend, we can use Springboard, and for the project management, we use Maven. Maven can help you to manage the jar package, and the language we use Java. Okay, we need to write the group, the factor, lamb, and the important thing is here we need to notice the dependencies. For this project, I would like to add a validation, Spring Web, H2 database, FileMail, and Spring Data JPA. Okay, let's start in this project. We need to open IntelliJ IDE, and we can import a book project. Can you remember that? We can generate a project from previous web page. Then we can run this application. But now, this application can't. We can't open a web page. Okay, if we want open a web page, we need to add some HTML and backend file. For the first one, we need adding an index HTML page in the project. Second one, we need add a table for displaying book list, and we also can add, edit, and delete books on index HTML web page. Next one, you can see on the index page, in the beginning, that's just blank, do not have any books. So we need add book. So we need this HTML. We need add a name for that. We need adding a form for adding a book, and we can save it in the database. So you can see here, save book. But if we already created a book, but we want to update the name, then we need to update book HTML when needed to update the value, the name. Already have the front end files. At this time, we need adding some backend files for save the data. The first one, domain layer. So we want save book. So here we also need to define book entity. But here just so simple. We just add a ID and name, and we need to add a repository. Use this way. That's very simple. How to save the data to the database, how to update, we do not need to care about this repository, CRUD repository will add some method for that. Okay, this one is a controller layer. On the index page, we want to do something. We have some action, but here we need some mapping. Can you remember that index? Yeah, when we write down index in the URL box, then we can go to the index page. So here, index page. and we want to add a book, we want to save the book, and another thing like delete it. Okay, this one just some configuration, but here very simple. You can see here just tell this application, this system, this is a Springboard application, and enable auto configuration, and let the system scan the component automatically. And yeah, GPA repository, enable transition management, and entity scan. Yeah, let me show you again the index page, and add book page, update book HTML page, book entity, book repository, book controller. You can see index, add book, save book, edit, update, delete. Okay, here is the basic CRUD application. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you for watching.